Hi and welcome back to the channel. So in this video right here, I'm going to be doing a little closet, and I just wanted to point a few things out about a closet, show you the most fastest, most efficient, less stress on your body, and all the way around, just the most efficient way to install a closet where it don't wear you out as bad, and it's the fastest way to do it. Okay, so first thing, as I want to point out right here, you can see the excess right here and the excess right here on the front and the excess on the side. However, the back does not need trim down, and this side right here does not need trim down. Okay, so right off the bat, whenever I set my carpet in the closet, I'm always cautious of that. There's no sense in having extra carpet up on all four walls and have to take the time to trim down all four walls just to get it workable, such as these two here. So whenever you place your carpet in there right off the bat, go ahead and get two walls of them set to where they're not going to need trim down. That way you're only trimming two walls down instead of four. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and cut this extra carpet off the length and the width of this. Then we'll be ready to go. Okay, fold this back here. So again, if I hadn't done this, I'd be doing this same process to all four walls rather than just two. And as long as it took me to do just that, I would still have to do that again. So it would have took twice as long just to do that step. So right there, some time saved right there. Okay, and I wanted to also point out, if you can see right here, see this dark gap right here along the bottom? That is because the baseboards are raised up. Okay, so they're raised up about 3/8 of an inch or something like that, maybe a ½ inch, is how these baseboards are installed, just a little bit off the floor. What that does, that allows you to get a really nice, pretty finish on the edges of your carpet and stuff like that. So that is definitely a plus when installing a closet. And because the baseboards are raised up, just as I showed there, is the only way that you can get away with doing a closet like I'm fixing to demonstrate here. Okay, so that's very important. Okay, don't forget that. This is the only way that you can do it like this, is if the baseboards are raised up. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm going to go ahead and make my corner cuts right here. Get this stuff cut down workable, that way like it needs to be. And I'd like to point out, I do have enough blades in my knife, and I do have brand new blades in my carpet trimmer too. Always want to start out a job with a knife full of blades and new blades in your carpet trimmer. Okay, so here we go. This is the whole secret right here to doing a closet nice, fast, and efficient. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm going to go ahead and trim down everything where there's baseboard. Get it trimmed down and tucked and everything, everywhere there's baseboard that the carpet will go under. And I'm going to do that before I do any kicking or anything. And just to keep things moving real fast, I'm going to go ahead and do all my trimming, and then I'll come back and snatch my corners real fast. Okay, now I got all my trim work done. I can just make another little circle right there, just like I just did. Cut all my corners, and then I'll make one more circle and do all my tucking. Okay, let me go ahead and get this here by my door jamb. Okay, now I'm just going to make my way around the closet, tucking everything in. That might seem a little strange, trimming and tucking everything without doing any kicking or stretching or anything, but it's a time saver, and I'll show you here in just a second. You're saying, Ruben, are you even going to kick that closet? You done got everything trimmed and packed. I absolutely am. Let me cut this door jamb down here. Definitely cannot do any stretching carpet without stretching it in. I mean, that's the whole thing of a stretching carpet. Okay, here we go. I'm going to take my knee kicker. Now, because that baseboard is all raised up and everything, I have room underneath there. Even though it's already trimmed and tucked right there on all these walls that have baseboard, I still have enough room to kick my carpet, and it's actually going to go under the baseboard. It's not just going to bunch all up because the baseboards are raised up, okay? So, let's do that real fast. And again, I'm just going to work my way right around the closet. Okay? Okay. This is a little closet. You don't have to get all crazy with your kicking. Just enough to, especially since you're going in all four directions like that, okay? So if I was only going to stretch this that way and that way, I would have to bow up on it and get a little bit of a kick, okay? But since you did notice I went that way, I went that way, and I went that way, now I'm fixing to go this way. So it's getting stretched in all four ways, therefore I don't have to get crazy on my kicker, okay? So this closet track right here is what holds my sliding doors in. I have mirror doors right here that slide in this track, and it is not raised up. Okay, notice that right there, what I'm doing. Bend it, I'm folding it back and bending it right there where it needs to be stuck on the tack strip, okay? That's getting me a little bit of a crease there on the back, so it's going to stick on the tack strip really nice, okay? And this is not raised up. That's why I could not trim and pack it with the rest of it right there. I had to wait and do this very last because I do have to stretch this up first. And let me adjust my kicker there. I do have to stretch this, then trim and pack it since it's not raised up. And using that little bit of a crease like I just did there sure makes it really nice. And if you'll notice, I'm not even kicking this way. I actually got my foot right here on the baseboard, and I'm just pushing my kicker with my leg, okay? That is like no damage on your knee whatsoever. But because of this brand new kicker that I got here, this thing is really good. It's got a really nice angle and stuff on it. That kicker works really well. Okay, anyway, it's all stuck right here on this tack strip now, right next to the track. So I'm going to go ahead and just trim and pack this off, and we will be done with this closet. I don't know how long it took me with me talking and getting out of breath talking and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, this closet is fixing to be over with, and it is just a little 5x4, something like that. I think it is. It's like 3.9 by 5 is what this closet is. And because this is going up to a track here, you want to be careful about getting your nap mashed down in there first. You always want to push the backing of your carpet in anytime you're working up to something low like this, okay? Okay, so there we have it. This closet is complete. Everything looks good everywhere around. Let's see here. Looky here. See how tight it is? Look at that. That is snug, boy, right there. Look at the pop down. Can you see that pop down? If that was loose, it would be like a wave whenever I let go of it, but it just pops right back down. That's a nice, tight closet, and I never had to kick really hard in any direction because I went off four walls like that, okay? So I hope somebody can learn something from this, maybe help them out in their installs, maybe just speed it up a little bit for them, or maybe where it don't hurt your body so hard or anything like that. That's the whole purpose of these videos, is just to help you guys out, sharing stuff that I have picked up over my career. So I hope this helps, and until next time, FBSB is out.